Hi, I'm PGA member Jay Golden, and welcome to WatchMojo.com. When you miss a green, quite frequently your ball is not in the fairway, it's in higher grass, it's in the rough around the green. Today I'm going to talk about pitch shots from the green side rough. One technique is with your hands in front of the ball, playing the ball off your back foot, square club face, and chopping down. This will produce a lower shot. It'll run a little more, but it gives you a better chance for solid contact. The second technique is the exact opposite. It's more like a sand shot. You start with the club face open at address, almost facing the sky, and then instead of chopping, you slide under the ball. This produces a higher, softer shot, but works quite well. So I'm opening up the club face, I'm aiming a little left, and I'm going to slide under that ball. It produces a higher, softer shot. It's quite similar to a sand shot. Naturally, you have to swing a lot harder to get that ball the same distance. When you're in the rough around the green, there are two techniques you could use. One of them, play the ball back, square club face, chop down, and hit a lower shot. The other technique, open up that sand wedge or 60-degree wedge, aim left, and slide under the ball. Try them both, practice them both, and you will be good out of greenside rough.